Hey you, if you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen. I'm about to show you what we're going to be cooking up next week.
If you only knew, if you only knew.
Monday, we're going in and making a Cajun pasta. Now, there's many ways to make a Cajun pasta, but this is probably one of the easiest ways to make it. The easiest way to get that Cajun flavor is to get that andouille sausage right there. Now, I didn't add a whole lot of flavor on top of that because that andouille sausage is where it's at. I topped mine off with a little bit of that Tony seasoning, and bam, baby, that dinner was done. Tuesday, we're going in and making a taco soup. Now, it is fall, and we still want our taco flavor, so we're going to have some taco soup. There's not a whole lot of ingredients to make this happen. You just want to make sure you get crushed tomatoes. I topped mine off with some shredded cheese, some diced onion, and some tortilla strips. Wednesday, we're going in and making a chicken stir fry. Now, my carrots were substituted in my grocery pickup order, and I am not a fan of these little carrot chip things. So, if I were you, I would not get that. I would definitely get the carrot sticks or, just leave them out. I made my own sauce, so you definitely got to have that honey in all them sauces. I put mine over a bed of rice, but if you like yours over pasta, go on and do your thing. You do not want to miss this meal right here. Do not sleep on this one. I'm telling you right now, this is my favorite way to eat some leftover chili. I took some of that dad's chili out the freezer and went ahead and got it thawed out and warmed up, cooked up my hot dogs. We not going in with the chili dog with the bun. We going in with some chili dog chili. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there. Friday, we're going to go in and make the BLT. Now, let me tell you what the secret is. You got to get that thick cut bacon. You got to cut them tomatoes up nice and thick. You got to get that sauce on there, and do not sleep on that sweet bread because I'm telling you, that is where it's at. Look at that thing right there. Oh, yeah. This meal is so easy to make that anybody can make it. I paired mine up with some kettle cooked jalapeno chips, and I'm telling you, that's where it's at.
Wide awake, all the memories are on replay. I reach for you.
If you want to get this week's meal plan and grocery list, you can click the link down in the description. It's going to carry you right over to my Patreon to this week's meal plan. Become a member, get your download, grab your groceries, and come back on Monday because I'm going to show you how to cook all this up. Look here, meal planning is a chore, but it don't have to be for you no more because I've already done it all for you. So if you want it, come and get it. Y'all have a good weekend, and I'm going to see you Monday.
Sleepless nights, filled with all the things I didn't say. Every heart